So here's the drone, and the on-screen display in the goggles was pretty bad, especially when I throttle up the motors. And it has a TBS Unify high voltage transmitter there. And I discovered that my video camera, which is a Runcam Hybrid, it had some heat transfer pads, those blue ones, but here at the cable it was probably touching the metal body, and I'm not sure if from these yellow, black and red cables some power was transferred to the carbon fiber and then back to that metal connector or something, but it has a burn mark there. So there is darker and it smelled a little bit. Now you can see it's darker. The wires are darker here. So I will put some heat transfer pads there under that one also, plus under the wires, the power wires. And let's see after that if the on-screen display will disappear, will be scrambled when I throttle up the motors or not. So these are for heat transfer, these small pads, but I hope it's not transferring. I'm using the multimeter. I hope it's not transferring the electricity also. No, it's not. It's not conducting.